ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे ॐ शांति शांति शांतिः बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की
जय।
जय जय माँ everybody जय माँ I'm making व्रत का डोसा and peanut chutney, मूंगफली की चटनी. Okay, so this is like, when you're fasting or something, you can make this dosa and the peanut chutney. So first I will make the peanut chutney, then I will show you the dosa ingredients. Very first, what you have to do is take your peanuts, switch on your gas, and just lightly roast your peanuts. Just roast it. With the chilka, with the skin. All yummy stuff, So when you're fasting, you can do things like this. Just lightly roast it. And then we have to blend, the chutney, obviously, in the mixie. This is done. Now I'll put it on slow, because I have to roast some more of stuff. Not in this, in the mixie. Just throw this in your mixer. Then you I've taken about 5-6 hara mirchi and a piece of ginger, so that you have to fry a little bit with very little tail. Fry it. हल्का हल्का फ्राई करके. Now see, this is fried. So you throw it into the mixie. Then we switch on the mixie and put hara dhania. Lots of hara dhania. Then just now, without water, grind a little bit. This is like ground like this. Now you put in a little bit of water, not too much, because we don't want it very patla. The chutney has to be thick. So just 3 tablespoons I'm putting just now, and slowly we can add more. See, I put 3 tablespoons. I'm putting a little more because it has to be ground properly. So 4 or 5 more tablespoons, and then grind it again. Now put 1 whole lemon juice, then salt, and a little bit of sugar, not much. Half a teaspoon bhi nahi, little less than that. And then again grind. And your chutney will be ready. It has to be that thick. Do you see that? That thick chutney. And take it out in your bowl. See? So we put that drinking water in it, and now we are pouring it in. So a little more water goes in it. Now mix it to remove all that from which was stuck in the blender. And now see, halao barabar. It's a yummy chutney. That's it. Now see, we have soaked these 2 ingredients overnight. What are these? This is samo, morio it's called. Okay. It's a vratka rice. It's called morio. Sometimes people call it samo. And this is sabudana. Okay, so now what is the proportion? If you take 1 cup of morio, you have to take 1/4 cup of sabudana. You can't take more because it will become, not crispy, it will become hard, your dosa. So you have to be very particular about the measurements. So these are the ingredients and we have soaked them overnight. And in the morning you remove all the water and this goes in the blender. Without water you have to blend it. And then you have to put all the masalas which I'll show you what to do. Now she's she's putting it in the blender. All the ingredients. There are 2 basically, samo and sabudana. And you're supposed to grind it without any water. So let's see how it turns out. If my mixer is good, it'll happen. Now we are putting little bit of water, that's it. The measurement is 1 cup of water has to go into the entire thing, mixture. See, now it's done and we are putting it in the mixing bowl. Now pour the 1 cup of water into your mixie and go on taking out all the stuff from the blender and throw it into that. Because you can't put too much water and you can't put very less water. So water has to be enough. After this, that water that is remaining, throw it into it. Bharati, throw it. Throw it. Now take a spoon, not your hand. Mix it. That's it. But don't mix too much. Now see, the consistency has to be like this. Not very thick, like dosa is a little thicker than this. This is liquidy, more liquidy. Liquidy करेंगे तब वो जाली जाली होगा, like a net when you do the dosas. Now after this is done, you throw in salt. Jeera, whole jeera. Cumin. Then throw in pieces of adrak. Then throw in as many chilies as you want. And throw in coriander. Then mix again. Now when we are doing this, your tawa has to be very hot. So first we do the tawa on the gas, it has to be piping hot. Now take a little water and the tawa has to be very hot. So just sprinkle little water and immediately wipe it off with a kapada. I've got a malmal kapada. Wipe it off. Then you take your kheera, the batter. Go on pouring like this, as big as you want, and keep the gas on slow. Fill it up, all the gaps. It won't be a round dosa, it will be teda meda. So that's fine. And on slow gas, let it cook. And once this is done, then you take a little ghee. Pour some ghee like this. And let it cook. done, but I want it little thinner. So what I've done is I've added more water in this. I've taken almost 3/4 cups of extra water, because I'm trying to make it thinner. So you have to try. 1 cup is not enough. Take almost 2 cups of water. Then again, exercise. You have to be quick with this. And try and make a round. Now it's better because it's thinner. This is how you do it. Now let it cook. Pour ghee like this on it and let it cook. Let it become a little red at the back. So every time you make a dosa, you have to wipe the pan with a wet muslin cloth. Wipe it and then put the batter. Without wiping, and it has to be really hot, the tawa. Otherwise it won't happen. I had put ghee on it and now I spread it out and it's done. See? So make it a little patla by putting more water. This was jada, this was thicker, this is thinner. So do it that way. I'm switching off the gas right now because I'm not showing more. And serve it with this chutney. And it's yum. See? It's a delicious Vrat ka dosa. Try it, let me know. Try it. It's like, you'll feel, how can I make the dosa? Nobody can make the dosa in one shot. Even I had to learn, I had to practice, so did Bharti. But if you go on practicing, it happens, So people say, no, we can't do the dosa. It's not so difficult. Try, okay? Jai Ma, Om Sahana Vavatu, Sahano Munaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahe, Tejasvina Vaditamastu, Ma Vidvishavahe, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. बोलो शिशिमानंदमय की
जय।
आज का व्रत का डोसा और पीनट चटनी, मूंगफली चटनी बहुत बढ़िया। जय माँ, जय माँ।